Hello guys, today I'm going to be teaching you all how to compound on Trade Coin Club, which is reinvesting your profits back into the system. So at the end of your contract you'll be getting more coins. So the first thing that you want to do is you click on here, and actually before you compound, please take note that how many coins you want compounded. I'll be compounding 10. So click on plans, you click on buy. I'll also be putting a little text tutorial in the description below to make it more easier for you guys as well. So just put 10 T coins, and you put 10 T coins, and then you click generate hash, and generate hash. Obviously your coins will be a lot more. I'm just using 10 for a demonstration. So once the hash is being generated, you just click here to copy the hash, and you click confirm payment. Now once you've got the hash copied, you want to go on the menu again and click on financial and pay hash. Now this will redirect you to this page. You can paste your hash here and click search hash, and then it will redirect you to your wallets where you want these coins compounded from. So I'll be getting them compounded from Wallet Trade. So you put 10 on Wallet Trade and click pay. Now you put your financial password and your token. To get a token, you just click this little yellow box and you'll get a token on your email, which is basically random numbers sent to you to confirm. Okay, I might have to blur this part out so you don't know my password. And you put I'll be checking my email. So yeah, this is the token. This is the token. This is the email that you get, and it will show you token. You can copy it, or you can just type it randomly. I prefer copying, as long as you don't copy the space with it. I've seen those people actually, when they paste their tokens, they paste the space as well, So make sure you get the numbers only when you're pasting. And once you've got your financial password in and your token in, just click pay, and then it will say success, payment successful.